Welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. In the previous video, I have discussed list data structure, and along with list data structure, its characteristics has been fully described. How to create list objects and wish list function is described. In today's video, I will describe you how to use split function. Suppose, take an example, s is a variable, s is equal to a string variable. Learning Python is very important. Okay, learning Python is very important. In the L, there is also a variable. L is equal to s dot split, print L, print type L. Then the output will be like this in the list structure. Learning this string, learning Python is very important, will be split into learning Python is very and important. Okay, sometimes we take list inside another list. Such list is termed as nested list. Such list is termed as nested list. Suppose 10, 20. This is the starting of first list, and this is the second list 30, 40, which is the inner list, and it is termed as nested list. It is termed as nested list. Okay, friends. So our next topic is accessing element of list. How to access the element in list? We can access elements of the list either by using index or by using slice operator. Either by using index or by using slice operator. Okay. Suppose one means by using index. I am now describing you how to access element by using index. List follows zero based index, that is index of first element is always 0. List support both positive and negative indexes. Positive index mean for left to right. That means from the left hand position to the right hand position. This is the left, this side is left hand, this side is right hand. From left hand to right hand, that is positive index. And negative index meant for right to left, that means from the right hand position to your left hand position, right hand position to your left hand position. Suppose here is I have already given you the example. List is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Here is a list containing values 10, 20, 30, 40. These are the elements that are present in list. Then if we consider the positive index, then it will what will be the positive index from left to right? 10 is in the 0 position, 20 is in the 1 position, 30 in the 2 position, and 40 in the 3 position. If we consider negative index, it will start from right to left. Then 40 will be the -1. The element 40, it is present in the -1 position. Element 30, it is present in the -2 position. Element 20, it is present in the -3 position, and element 10 is present in -4 position. If we print, suppose from here, if we want to print any of the elements, suppose like this one, print list of 0. That means 0 position means 10. The output will be 10. Print list -1. That means it is the negative index from the last -1. In the -1 position, the element is 40 and the answer is 40. But if we suppose if we write print list 10, this 10, this index is not present in this list. So this is index error, list index out of range, because number 10 index, number 10, this index is not present here. So it is list index out of range. This is the index error will take place. Okay. Now the second way of accessing element of list. How? By using slice operator. Okay, syntax: list 2 is equal to list 1 start, stop and step. Start means it indicates the index where slice has to start. Default value is 0. And what is stop? It indicates the index where the slice has to end. Default value is max. Allowed index of list, that is length of the list, okay. And next, the stop value. What is the stop value? Stop value means increment value. Default value is 1. Incremental value or default value is 1. Incremental value or default value is always 1. Now we are going for example. Suppose n. In the n is the list. Here in the list the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now if we print n 2 to 7, the step is 2. The starting element is 2, stopping element is 7 and the step is 2. Then it will be the 0, 1, 2. That means it will start from 3. End 7 means end 7 position. That means 7 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And the step is 2. That means after 3 we will get 5 and after 5 you have to 7. Okay. Here we will get 7. Okay. The 2 to 7 position. That means from this is the 0 position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then the first starting element is 2. It will start from the 2 position, index 2. That means 0, 1, 2. That means it will start from 3. 3 will be printed first. Then the difference will be the step value is 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. The 5 will be printed in the second position. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 is printed in the third element as a third element. Okay. But after that we will get 9. 9 is present not in the 7th position or 8th position. It will present in the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th position. So in the 7th position it will be not printed because the step value is not 1, it is 2. Now print n 4 is to 2. That means it will start from the starting value is 4. The stopping value or the stop value is not given and the step value is 2. That means start from the 4th position. That means 4th position, 4th position. Okay. It will the answer will be 4th. In the 4th position we will get 5. Then 5 plus 2, 7 and it will run up to the last element 5. Then 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9 and 9 plus 2, 11. 11 is not present in the list. So 5, 7, 9 is the answer. Okay. Next print n 3 is to 7. That means it start from the 3rd position and end in the 7th position. But if we are not providing any step value, then it will take 1 as default, 1 incremental value as default value, because already we have mentioned step, increment value, default value is always 1. So it will start from 4 because it is the position of 3. Okay. 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the 3 position. 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are printed. Next print n 8 is to 2 minus 2. That means it will start from 9th position and it will move forward. Minus 2. 9 minus 2, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. It will be 9, 7 and 5. 9, 7 and 5. In the result is 9, 7, 5. For the question print n 8 is to 2 is to minus 2. Good. and the next is print n 4:100. That means it will start from the fourth position. That means in the fifth, from the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will be taken. But where is the 100? 100 is a stop value. But in the list I have no 100 position or 100 index. So it will print up to the 10. Okay, it will print. If there are 100 elements are there, 100 elements are there, then it will access all the elements by using index. Okay friends, for today it is that I have described already accessing element of list using two ways, by using slice operator and also by using index. I have also described these two. Okay, so for today this is the video, and please share, subscribe my channel and like my channel. Please do the comments, it will inspire me. And my channel name is Venus Tech Pulse. Please subscribe it. Thank you friends.